Hi friends, welcome to Variety Track. I hope that you are all preparing for Annamalai University DD examination May 2021. Most of you asked in comment. I try to replay all your doubts. In this video, we are going to see how to write the exam from starting to ending. What are all the things you need to do, what you should do before exam and what you should do after exam. Don't skip this video. This information is very important for Annamalai University online exam. Let's move on to the video. Here I listed out the important points to be followed before exam and after exam. Then I will briefly explain these points. Before exam, you should buy stationery materials, printout of front page, soft copy of timetable, soft copy of hall ticket, and you should join Telegram group using question paper link. After exam, you should scan all answer sheet, convert to PDF, rename it, then send to the university mail ID. After completing all exam, collect all answer sheet, then post it. Now we will discuss one by one in detail. Before exam, you can buy stationery items like ball pen, that's blue or black color, then A4, A3 cloth post cover, then pencil, scale, eraser, gum to paste the post cover, thread to tie the answer paper, punch hole to put hole in answer sheet. You should avoid red, green color pen and ink pen also. Some of you asked A4 cloth cover is not enough to keep all answer sheet in one post cover. For those, you may use A3 size big cover also. You can use stick pen to underline the important points. In stick pen, try to avoid colors like green, red and pink. You can use other color to present your paper neatly. Your paper presentation is very important to get more marks. Next, you should buy A4 size unruled paper bundle. Some of you asked, can we write in ruled paper? You should not use ruled paper. From the instruction itself, university instructed you to write in ruled paper only. Better you can buy a bundle of unruled paper before exam. Don't buy it at the time of exam. So you can put margin before the exam and write your register number in all the pages. It will save your time. Just write page number at the time of exam. Next important point is download the front page. If you don't know how to download, just watch my video. Link is in description. After downloading, take a printout. Suppose if you have 6 subjects, take printout up to 10 copies, because if you made any mistake, you can use extra copies also. In that front page printout, fill your course name, year, register number, subject code, subject name and then signature. Before exam, in all copies, you have to write in same way. At the time of exam, just fill the number of pages and date to save time. Students are instructed to fill front page only in English or Tamil language. Other state students don't write in your own language. Please write in English language. It's very important. Next, download your hall ticket. I hope you are all downloaded your hall ticket. If you don't know how to download, watch my video. Link is in description. After downloading, soft copy is enough. No need to take printout. Just check subject code belong to your course or not. It's very important. Next, you can download timetable in audde.in website. If you have any doubt, just watch my video. Link is in description. In the timetable, your exam date will be given and your exam timing also given at the top of your course. Many of you asked about the exam timing. Here you can find exam will be conducted in morning and afternoon session. Don't get confused. Write your exam on allotted session because question paper will be uploaded before the exam. Next, you have to join in Telegram group. University will send the question paper through Telegram group only. So please join to get the question paper on time. If you face any issue in joining Telegram group, watch my video. I explained how to join in Telegram group. Link is in description. Please join before exam to avoid unwanted tension. Next, many of you get confused in question paper timing. Now I will explain you the proper timing of examination and question paper. You will get your question paper via Telegram group at 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. for morning session, 1 to 2 p.m. for afternoon session. Then your exam timing will be 9:30 to 12:30 p.m. in morning, afternoon 2 to 5 p.m. These are all the exam timing. Question paper will be posted 1 hour before the exam. Your exam time will be 3 hours, totally 4 hours. So don't worry about the timing. Study material is available in the website, so you can easily search and write your answer. You can use Google also to search answer. Most of you asked how to manage time while writing exam. Given time is not enough to write, please give me some ideas. These are all the comments mostly asked by the student in YouTube. Now we will see how to split the time. You are allowed to write only 40 pages. Question pattern will be 5. That means each question carries 20 mark. 5 into 20, 100 mark. For each question you can spend 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, for each question you can spend 30 to 40 minutes and use 5 to 6 pages. Just to follow these steps, you will complete the exam in correct timing. Don't leave any questions. Try to answer all the questions. Again, I am telling you should use only 40 pages. That means 20 A4 sheet. If it exit sheet will not be considered. You can write both side of your A4 sheet. Okay, I have completed what are all the things you have to do before exam. We will move on to the next topic. Now we will see writing procedure. After getting question paper, you can start writing. Write it neatly and underline the important points using stick pen. Just separate each answer by 2 lines using pencil because it will differentiate first and second question, so evaluator can correct your paper easily. Subsequently, write your page number also. After completion, just fill the number of pages column in front page, that is your template page. Now you are all successfully completed your exam. This is not end. You have to do some more work. You have to upload your soft copy in correct timing. For morning section, you have to upload your PDF within 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. Afternoon session, you have to upload your PDF within 5 to 6 p.m. For uploading soft copy, you have to scan the answer sheet. For scanning, you can use document scanner, DOC scanner, which is so good. If you don't know how to scan, watch my video, link is in description. Scan all the sheet from front page to last page. Just check whether it is clear or not. Please verify all pages. If it's not clear, retake it and again scan it. Next, you have to rename your PDF. Rename format will be like this: register number hyphen subject code hyphen subject name. It's very important. Don't do any changes. If you do any mistake, your soft copy will be invalid and you will be considered absent for that exam. Next important point is soft copy should be in the form of PDF format only. PDF size should be 15 to 20 MB. If it exceeds 20 MB, just compress the file, or you can send 2 files through email. If you don't know how to do all these steps, just watch my video, link is in description. Okay, this is the procedure to convert PDF. After converting, we need to send this into Gmail. Till now, university didn't updated the specific mail ID. Everyone asked what to write in subject also. This also not yet updated by university. Once they updated, I will inform you. So don't worry. This is the procedure to send your soft copy. Just open your mail ID, attach your PDF and send. After complete everything, tie your paper with the thread, keep it safely. You can send all your answer sheet at the last day of your exam. If you have 6 subjects, post all the paper at the last exam in A4 or A3 size cloth cover. Okay, now we will assume that you have completed all your exam. Then you have to put that all 6 subject answer sheet in postal cover. Write your from address. In to address, you have to write the control of examination, Annamalai University, Annamalai Nagar, pin 608-002, Tamil Nadu. Okay, after filling address, now paste your cover with gum. Now your answer sheet is ready to post. Again, I am telling, no need to post each and every exam. Just put all pages together and post at last day of your exam. I think I cleared most of your doubt. Still you have any doubt, just comment me. These are all the steps you have to do before and after exam. Don't worry about the exam. Question paper will be very easy. Just follow these steps. All the best. Thank you for watching.